Hi, I need the Air Racket Army.
You may be a slabber if your dog gets more nookie than you do, ha 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 ha, and you might be a slabber if you have bug in your drink, ha ha ha.
Is he talking some kind of riddle?
Ha 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 ha, you may be a slabber if your dog is on public assistance, ha 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 ha.
Hey, my world is being attacked. Be Bigfoot toys from your world. I need your music to calm the beast. Air Racket Music Man. Songs like Freedom Don't Shadow Me. Computer Hammers Toys for Girls.
You got to give up something to get the Air Racket Army, ha ha ha. And how much is a cigarette worth in a desert like this one? You be a slabber or help need beer, tobacco, papers and big joints now, ha ha ha.
Only have buds from Slab City Space Station. Mad Train Wreck from Near Future.
Give me some, give now me some. Now I live here, I need a buzz, I needed a buzz before we met, give.
Do you really need that apocalypse song from Air Racket Army? Sundown in Slab City. Need. Dude, now.
And you might be a slabber if you look too far to see, ha 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 ha.